Welcome back, guys. I'm back. This is Tony Ajayi. With me today are my friends over here. This is Quentin, my friend. We've done videos together. Smile, Quentin. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
All right. And over here is friend. This is Tina right here. Come on, right here. You gotta come and say hi to everybody. Come on.
Hi.
Good. All right. On this segment, we're going to praise God, and I want them to come up with some rhythm. I'll give, this is, Quentin brought this bongo drum, the giraffe bongo drum, and he's going to try his hand on it. And Tina is going to try it again. I'm going to get the rhythm out for them. Okay, you try it. Good. You do your own, Tina.
Wait.
All right. You see that? So I'm going to get that rhythm out for them. I'm going to put the two rhythms together and form a rhythm out of that. Okay? All right. Let's see. Yes!
Did you like that?
How do you like that, guys? How do you like it? How do you like it?
It's fantastic.
All right.
Genius.
All right. Thank you, everybody. Come back.